area looking for weddings and you
Wow.
trash them. He's that big a foodie.
And if I want to add in my inimitable way, which I think Farzana, I need your attention, Farzana.
Yeah.
And the mic is not so good. Give me that. Give me that mic. Okay. If I know Farzana a little bit, I'm sure she loves the hills. She wouldn't mind farming and driving a tractor. Listen to this carefully. If I know Farzana a little bit, आइए सर अब right time पर आ गए.
All right, applause for our last chief guest here, Jayant Patil. He's looking very uncrumpled, and yet he's had a very full. Sorry, Anu, we'll get
No,
back
no
to you.
problem, no.
And yet he's had a very full morning. We will tell you about what he did a little later. But Anu, carry on.
Yes, I was adding. I just want to add this. If I know Farzana a little bit, I know she loves the hills. She loves farming, and she wouldn't mind driving the tractor. If there's any success story of Uppercrust, it's got to be Farzana, contractor, and she's the only factor.
All right, who was missing Shakespeare earlier? You.
It just comes out of me, and it just came out naturally. For Farzana, it's an honor to be here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Anu. Thank you so much. Really, it's wonderful. But you're absolutely right, because my somebody has to do the nitty-gritties and become a full-time farmer. I farm in my 16-acre farm at Karjat a lot of times. Fruits and vegetables coming from your own farm, because you know they're organic. You know they taste, they look horrible, they don't look good at all, but they taste like what your mother used to cook when you were a child. So I'm very happy about that. And on that note, I'm going to introduce Jayant, because in one box each, he's also into milk, he's also into whatever, I don't know, but he's a foodie who's also into the food business. Jayant, welcome. Thank you for being here. And before you start off, he's a very punctual guy. He was planning to be here at 11:15. But like I said, last night he called up to say that they managed to get hold of this helicopter. And today being Ambedkar Jayanti, they had to shower these rose petals. So he's done one sortie on the helicopter and come. I made him cancel the second sortie. So, Jayant, what do you have to say? About food, about you, about the show, about life, about anything. BJP, Congress, NCP, anybody.
Food is everything about
Love.
something which is beyond everything. Food is something which I don't know if you have spoken about Marathi type of food here.
No, we haven't. Go ahead.
I think most of the people may not have tasted Marathi type food. Pitla and bhakri, which is something which is when you go in the fields, I think that is what helps you most. And when I sent grapes to Farzana's home, I'm sorry I could not do that for you, but that was to tell her that in my constituency we have some wineries also. So
Look, it's getting
lately
warmer.
in last 1 or 2 decades, people have tied up with some French wine makers, and we have some wine manufactured in our constituency. In not my constituency,
It's called
but in
Ravello.
our area. Yeah, and we are into alcohol and manufacturing of liquor also.
Makes him a very normal guy also.
No, I don't drink. But,
know.
but the point is, we are very much into food business. As basis, the basis is all cooperative. It is not on a private
You're
basis.
doing a good thing, that's good.
And farmers really earn a lot of money out of it. As far as the the fertilizers which are not chemical, organic food, which is most of the farmers in our area are in big time in organic food, and we have organic gur, we have organic sugar also now being produced in our constituency. Farmers are into organic vegetables also, which come in Mumbai and being sold on a large scale.
Yeah, but that is something that we should really make a little more organized sector, because like abroad, we've got to give it a chapa, we've got to really do proper inspections, because there are a lot of unscrupulous people who are also under the guise of giving you organic food because it's more expensive, are doing a lot of rubbish. So if you will take the initiative, we will support you fully.
You have to get your field certified
Yeah,
as
that's what I'm
organic.
saying.
Otherwise, you can't do this.
If we can authenticate that, it will be great because
Yeah. There are organizations who can certify your farm as organic
Right.
food manufacturing.
Right. So from here, how many dog lovers do we have? I'm counting dogs. Since upper crust is also dogs and more, we always mix the two. So he always wanted one. So Asha, please get one. He's still a little boy. So get him up, dog. If I can now, without much ado, go ahead and ask everybody to light the lamp. That's what we will do the next thing here.
एक मिनट मैम मैम या
Okay, everybody.
मैम या
Just your hand forward.
सर थोड़ा हाँ बंद हो गया या सर
Okay.
वन सेक मैम या
Almost there. So the limb look there. My guy is yelling out your limb. All right, great. So. All right, come, Jack. Yeah.
सर
I always forget to talk about the show. Look at the 11th here. This is only the starter. The main show's upstairs.
बाद में ठीक है सर ये पूरा होता है एक सेकंड मैम
रुक जा what are we trying?
Sushi.
She wants sushi.
It's only vegetarian, so it's okay.
One Layla.
Okay, come.
It will take time.
I know, forget.
Festival, we have the best celebrities you can ever afford to see. The handsomest, Ashmet, Farzana, the most beautiful, and of course Shaina. इनकी जितनी तारीफ की जाए कम है. My friend Vivek and my absolute friend Bilin and Patil Saab Jainji is here, and of course the one and only Anu Malik. I'm here to try every delicacy that is here because I'm a foodie and I'm so excited. Farzana called me और मैंने तो शायरी भी मारी थी Farzana के ऊपर जो मैं अभी बताना चाहता हूँ कि Farzana loves the hills. She wouldn't mind farming and she wouldn't mind driving a tractor. In upper crust success, the one and only factor, Farzana contractor. ताली बजाइए. And now, would you please kindly take over the Shari, say something about the food and what we're expecting and the food and the wine?
You've already said so much. I just like to say, मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि upper crust कुछ सालों में एक ऐसा ब्रांड बन गया है जहाँ पे अगर हिंदुस्तान में अगर कोई फूडी है यानी कि खाना पसंद करने वाला है तो upper crust उसकी बाइबल बन गई है. Upper crust stands for all the good things in life, and I think we have Farzana to thank for that. So we've all come together to celebrate life, food, and friendship. What's up, buddy? How are you doing? He's a legend, and we'd like to wish him immortality, which he already has, but great health also. So many. Dilip Saab is, you can't pick one film. I mean, there are at least 10 films of his that are legendary, and can't pick one.
I would like to say about Yusuf Saab, the one and only Yusuf Saab, the way I would say, ये मेरा दीवानापन है, ये मेरा दीवानापन है, या मोहब्बत का सुरूर. Yusuf Saab, हमारी नजरों से कभी कभी नहीं जाना दूर. We love you. There's no one like you. There never will be another Dilip Kumar. बनता है अभी. जरा कुछ पी लें, खा लें, उसके बाद अब फिर आना, सुनाते हैं।
Also over here. We're very happy to have Giant Party here. He's a great foodie. Please talk to him.
I must thank Farzana for having produced, in fact, magazine something like Upper Crust. And for years together, she has tried working very hard to bring it to the common man. With this type of exhibition of food and wine and other products, I think Upper Crust has gone again towards masses. Upper Crust has always brought to our notice a new lifestyle, something which is new in the society, and at the same time she has never neglected the food side of it. So food is something I think everyone loves. And I wish all the success to Farzana's all the efforts.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Anu, Shaina. Anu's done. Shaina gave. Ashwin, Shaina.
I think I live to eat. और मुझे लगता है कि मुंबई के जो गलियां में है, रोड साइड फूड, जो भी लोग कहें जितना गंदा है उतना ज़्यादा स्वाद। और हिंदुस्तान की जो खासियत है कि हर एक गली नुक्कड़ में आप जाओ तो जो स्ट्रीट फूड मिलता है, मुझे लगता है कि दुनिया भर में कहीं नहीं। आई लिव ओनली टू ईट।
मेरी लाइफ में 3 चीज़ें सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स और फूड। लेकिन आज का दिन एक और F बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और वो है फरजाना, क्योंकि आज अपर क्रस्ट और फरजाना के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट दिन है। 11th एनिवर्सरी है उनका, तो मैं उनको बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ देना चाहता हूँ। और अभी मैं थोड़ा सा पेट पूजा करने जाऊँगा। हाँ जी, बस।